We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's pick up for business. All right, guys, we are marking up AUD, DKK, and we do have the duet screens up. Left side, we're looking at the monthly. Right side, we are looking at the weekly. Let's draw it back a little bit on the monthly time frame and see what's going on in the market. So if you look at price action, if price action goes up, how far would it go? If price action goes down, how far would it drop? Create a midline right in the middle. Let's zoom in near price action. Let's see what's going on. So market came out of a single bottom, pushed up once, came back to retest, pushed up twice, came back to retest. We got two pushes to the top from where price began at. Also, in the top here, there's something going on with these wicks. And what we see is, we see put 2-3 pushes of the wicks to the top and a retest. So that's probably a triple bottom or double bottom in a lower time frame. And the market pushed down. So we know that after the market do a double top or triple top, the market's coming down after the retest. And that's what we see right here. So let's head over to the weekly time frame and see what's going on in the market. Okay, so the market did identify as well the single bottom and a retest in this area here. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up a third time. And there's a pattern right here. And that's a double bottom. So with the double bottom, the market came back to retest once, came back up twice. It created enough momentum here. So there's a major area here of a support. Now we see this white bearish candle sitting right there with that long wick coming down. That's showing that the market is losing momentum. So it's going to be a push up after the retest. And that's what happened. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times to this doji here. When we zoom into this area, let's see what's going on. So in this area at the top, we see 2 pushes to the top. And that's that double top we see in the retest. We got this long wick right here, 1 and 2. So market pushed up once, triangle, pushed up twice, another triangle. So that's a double top. What happens after that? The market retests. So the final retest was right here at this doji. So market's always come back to retest, exactly what it did. And let's see what happened from there. Market pushed down once, came back to retest, market pushed down twice. Now in this area here, at the market did that second push, we may be looking at a retest in this area here. For that second push, the market could come back down. Not 100% sure yet. Also, we see in this area here, we see this area, the last 3 candles is having trouble breaking. Definitely the last 2 is side by side, so it shows some type of consolidation happening, probably in the lower time frame. So either the market's going to work its way sideways to consolidate, it can create momentum, start creating that double bottom to go up, or you'll see a double top form and the market goes down to areas of lower lows. Let's clear this markups off. We're going to head down the time frame, heading to the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on in the daily time frame. Okay, we can clearly see that double top or triple top in a retest on a lower time frame in the daily. On the earlier time frames, it looked like a double top. In this time frame, it shows like a triple top and a few retests in this area. So let me identify what's going on. Push this to the top. 1, 2. So we're confirming that the double top did happen once, twice. The market retest. It could be a triple top, not 100% sure. Call it a triple top for right now. And then the market retesting these areas here once, twice, 3 times. And if you look at this area trying to do a double bottom, so the market was trying to push up after this retest. It didn't happen, so the market fell down after the retest. So we got once, came back to retest, twice. So we can see that the retest is trying to happen after the second push. So let's clear these markups up. So when we go towards price action, if we take a look at what's going on, it looks like it's forming a double bottom. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. That last doji look like a retest. The market could be retesting. So after the retest, you know the market's gonna do what? It's gonna be the final retest right here. So the market could push up after that, or the market come down for that retest, create momentum and go up or go down, or it can consolidate. So there's no confirmation what this market's gonna do, but we do see a double bottom and a retest. So the market's gonna either push up or push down. Let's head over to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we did see that retest. With that retest coming up, we can clearly see that the market is in an incline. Okay, and there's a whole bunch of, there's a whole lot of W's in there. So I'm gonna circle a few. There's a major one right here. There's a few in this area here. Those small ones. So these are all W's. So just like a single bottom here. Then we got another double bottom here. So if we head over to price action, we can clearly see that the market's trying to push up to still open up the W's and a bunch of retests. So we look at the last area price action, look like it's trying to push up for that, finish that formation, another W. So the market is pushing up. It's expecting that little trend line on the 1 hour time frame. If you see here, we got that first leg, second leg got the doji, third leg, fourth leg got the doji, retest, market pushed up. And we can see the market's trying to form that W again with these wicks. So the market may be coming up for that W for this bullish candle once it closes out. And we know we get 2 or 3 candles to the upside after this one, the market is going up to areas of higher highs. If it breaks that, the market's going all the way up. Let's clear the screen. There's some of these markups. Let's go down the time frame. Let's check out the 15 minutes. Okay, after that last push up, let's see what we see. So we do see a double top in this area here. The market came back down to retest and created up momentum here. We had that first leg, we had that second leg, we had that third leg. This is the fourth leg retest. Look like at this candle right here. And then the market pushed down once, came back to retest. Market pushed down twice, came back to retest. Market pushed down a third time, coming back to retest. Currently, right in this area here is the retest. That's why we see the last price action candle and the 1, 2, 3 candles after the price action candle. The market is consolidating. So I know we go down that lower time frame, we'll probably see the market is possibly doing a wedge pattern. We connect the fourth candle to the last active candle, a non-active candle, price action, the market is doing a wedge. So we already know when we see wedge patterns, what's going to happen. The market's going to shoot up or shoot down. Okay, so the market should be pushing soon after that retest. Let's clear these markups up. Let's head down to the 5-minute time frame to see if we see any patterns in the market. Okay, so we did confirm it's a huge double top in this area here. Market pushed down. You have one push, two pushes. Market created enough momentum. Let's say a single bottom in this area here. After the single bottom, market pushed up once. After the single bottom, market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up a third time, and a fourth time in this area here. So this is a double top happened here. Draw this out for you guys. We have a double top in this area here. We got that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market retest a whole bunch of times, multiple times. Validated retest. So we know after that retest, what happens? Market shoot down, came down once, came back up, twice, came back up. So the market went into a double top retest, pushed down to areas of lows, created a double bottom here, as we clearly see, right in this area here. So we already know what happens at the double bottom. Market pushed back up, came back to retest multiple times, shot up again, and then pushed back down, and it went into a double top again. So it's a double top, one push down, double bottom. So we know you see double bottom, market's going to push up. That fourth leg of double bottom also into a double top. So if you circle this area here, it's a double top. Market pushed down after the double top, like always, came back to retest multiple times. And then we have first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. There's a whole bunch of consolidation. So this market is consolidating right now. So it's some type of pattern in here. So if we stretch, it's a long one, I think I see a long one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Market pushed up. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once. Market pushed up twice. And it's consolidating this area here. So it may be another push up to the top. So once the market pushed up to this area here, we can see it clearly consolidating. So I think the market may create momentum and do that full push up, new areas of higher highs on the 5-minute time frame. But if it doesn't, we'll see a bullish candle, a bearish candle near the last active candle on the 5-minute time frame, indicating that the market's going to come down. So if you guys see a huge candle coming down this area here, that the market's going down. If you see a bullish candle on the way up, that's the market going up. Let's head down the time frame again. See if we see any patterns. So we have a full consolidation. I do see a pattern in that consolidation. And there's a double bottom with a retest. So we already know after the double bottom retest, market's going to shoot up. There's a huge retest in this area here. So let's draw it out. There's multiple ways to draw this, but let's try to do this the best way we can. This could be the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So that's the double bottom. Retest, market shot up once, retest. And we know after the double bottom, we get about 1 or 2 pushes up to the top. 3 in total. So the market could be retesting this area here. It's going to shoot up the upside if we see a bullish candle to the upside, which will be yellow on my screen, green on your screen probably. And if it's going to the downside, it will be a bearish candle, which is white on my screen and probably red on your screen. So the market will go down. So all we're doing is what? Waiting for the market to do what it do in this area. Very important information, guys. Please study the Forex pattern cheat sheet. Let's go over quick patterns for you guys. In this area here, we have a bearish triple top. What's the triple top? Triple top is marked as at a low. It pushed up to a high. Came back down to 75% mark. Pushed up again for a second time. Came back down to a 70% mark. So it's a major area of support. Push up for a third time for that, trying to do that breakout. Wasn't able to break. We already know at the triple top what happens. The market retests. Retest probably happened in this area here. And the market pushed down to previous areas of lower lows. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Market can't break. Coming back down. More very important information, guys. Please understand the breakout and retest strategy. So when you look at the breakout retest strategy, and this is exactly what we talk about on my channel. So we can see the patterns is involved into this breakout and retest strategy, because we know when we see a double bottom, the market retests and go up. This is exactly what's forming here is a W. So let's draw it out. It's the first leg, that's the second leg, that's the third leg, that's the fourth leg, and right after that double bottom, we get a retest. Can't really see it right here because something's blocking. DTTW is blocking the way, but we already know we see this long wick. So this is the retest. Market came back down. The retest areas of this double bottom wasn't able to break. So after the retest, what happens? Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times. What is that? It's a triple top. After the triple top, we know that the market's going down after the retest. Triple top, retest is at the doji. Market pushed down once, market pushed down twice. And then if you draw this out, so I can zoom in, we draw this out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg is a double bottom. And then the market pushed up after the retest. Always at the double bottom or triple bottom, market does a retest and push up one major time. Okay, so very important about breakout and retest strategy. Once the market break an area of resistance, clearly that we have here on this white line, resistance meaning the roof. Once the market breaks out the resistance, it always comes back to return. Once the market return back to the resistance, turn to support now. And now it's the floor, it's not the ceiling no more, the roof. So that means the market what? Create momentum. We clearly see the double bottom. Market retest, and it went up to the upside. So this is the area we'll be looking for entry. Once the market breaks out of resistance area, it turns into support. We'll look for an entry in this area here, and it will take it to the upside. Do not take entries when it touches our resistance line. Wait until it break, come back, retest, look for entry, take it to the upside, major push, we just got paid. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. AUD, DKK.